Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts from Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your contact list from Acuity scheduling anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider, and you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity scheduling dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download or export your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on clients. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your clients that you have in Acuity scheduling. However, to download or export this list, here on the left, click on Import Export. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click here on Export Client List. Okay, here you want to go ahead and choose which contacts you want to export. By default, it's going to export or download your entire list. However, if you click into this box, you can go ahead and choose from these other options. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave it on All Clients, and then just click on Export Clients. Okay, quick second later, it downloads. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is what your list is going to look like. It does download in a CSV file. And as you can see, it's going to include first name, last name, phone number, email, notes, and days since last appointment. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contacts from Acuity scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.